Invesdor app pricing explained what you get for your money. Invesdor is a crowdfunding platform that allows investors to support startups and growing businesses across Europe. Many assume investing in startups is complicated or expensive, but Invesdor keeps pricing transparent and accessible. The platform itself is free to join, and investors can participate in funding rounds with minimum investments as low as 100. Invesdor earns revenue through a small success fee included in the fundraising terms, so there are no upfront charges for investors. This model ensures you only pay when an investment opportunity successfully closes. Most people get this wrong by thinking startup investing is only for wealthy individuals. Invesdor democratizes access, providing detailed company information, financial projections, and legal documents in one place. For example, investing $500 in a tech startup could give you equity participation without complicated contracts or hidden fees. The surprising truth is that Invesdor combines low-cost access with transparency, making private investing more approachable. Investors gain exposure to high-growth potential companies while staying informed through clear reporting and updates from the businesses themselves. In conclusion, Invesdor pricing is simple and risk-aligned. By understanding the platform's fee structure and minimum investment thresholds, you can confidently invest in startups and growing businesses while keeping costs predictable and transparent.